the river? Well, say you said one variable was the boat speed, so let's call that B equals boat speed. So that would just be the still water speed, just the boat speed by itself. And then you'd call the speed of the river, let's call that R equals river speed. So one thing we do know, that's meant to say speed. So one thing we do know is that, well, the boat speed plus the river speed would equal, when travelling with the current, so when travelling downriver, the boat speed plus the river speed would be 18 kilometers per hour. Now, when travelling up the river, the boat would have its speed, and the river speed, the current would be working against that speed. So you could take the boat speed and subtract the river speed, I believe, and that would give you a speed up the river of, we worked out, where did we work it out? Upriver speed here. We worked out was 6 kilometers per hour. Now, let's see if this works. Okay, equation 1. Equation 2. Let's say from equation 2, get rid of all that. From equation 2, subtract R both sides, B equals 6 minus R. Now when you're using B's as your variables and 6's, just be careful to write them so they look differently. You can curl your 6's over or something. B equals 6 plus R, because I'm adding both R to both sides of equation 2. And now we can substitute 6 plus R in for B in equation 1, so we'll call that 3, and we can say sub 3 into 1, and so 3, what was 1? B plus R equals 18, so B is 6 plus R, is B, plus R equals 18, plus R equals 18, 6 plus R, therefore 6 plus 2R, 2R equals 18, and therefore subtract 6 both sides, so 2R equals 12, therefore R equals 6. So the river speed is 6 kilometers per hour, because R was our river speed. Now, let's sub R equals 6 into one of them, doesn't really matter. Sub it into 2. So 2 was B minus R equals 6. So therefore B minus 6 equals 6. Add 6 both sides. That equation almost looks like B minus B equals B. But it is B minus 6 equals 6. And a good place to highlight that in people's tests when they're writing quickly, often it can get hard to read, so make sure it's very clear in your test, unlike on this video. So B minus 6 equals 6, so B add 6 both sides, B equals 12 kilometers per hour. So, what did that mean? The boat speed is 12 kilometers per hour, the river speed is 6 kilometers per hour. What the hell was that question? Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the river. So we can answer our question in words. Let's find a blank space to answer that. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 kilometers per hour, and the river speed